Creating a calm home is a huge part of creating a sanctuary, and one of the most fun methods I've found to create a sanctuary feeling at home is to burn bay leaves. Bay leaves have been burned dating back to ancient Greece and Roman times. And when you burn bay leaves, according to history, they've been used to help with divination, like seeing the future. They've been used as a form of making luck, creating a sense of protection from bad vibes, and many, many more things. But what fascinates me the most is that studies have shown that if you inhale the smoke from burning bay leaves for 10 minutes, it can significantly calm your body. It's also an anti-inflammatory, so there are so many deeply calming principles behind burning bay leaves. Watch them, let the room fill up with the smoke of bay leaves. If you have a fire alarm, make sure that you are not right near the fire alarm or crack the windows open slightly, and let this bay leaf incense fill the space. Then kick back for 10 minutes, meditate, relax, do your journaling, whatever it is that you'd like to do, and enjoy the calm space that you've created. Of course, any way that you create calm space will help you to feel more grounded, more prosperous, more amazing, more everything to do with wellness and awesomeness. So keep making space in your home and keep finding ways to create a sanctuary for yourself every day.